Here I've got Maze Comet, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open About Phone. Then scroll down one more time, and once you see build number, just keep tapping on it. And right now you are a developer, so let me go back. And here you've got the developer options now, so you can open it. And as you can see, plenty of very useful and advanced features are allowed here, so you can perform it. You have developer options right now, so you can, for example, enable Bluetooth, Snoop Lock, you can run services, you can activate demo mode, USB debugging, and plenty of other super useful and super advanced functions. Then if you would like to switch it off, simply tap on this switcher and that's it. Now you are not able to change them. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.